Alright guys, we're back at FiveBar Motorsports. From what I understand, the rebuilt engine for the big Mopar has come in. This was an engine that had a catastrophic engine failure. I'll show you here. Here's the engine. You can clearly see the damage from this angle. You can see the holes in the sides of the block. You know, you got it on both sides of the block, on one side here and on the other side here. As well as, you know, when we pulled off the heads, you can look in there and see how badly beat up the cylinder is. So the original block and the original heads were toast, and now we got some new parts for it. And I'm gonna just maybe take you over here and show you, you know, we're at FiveBar. This is one of the best shops here in Fort Myers. You can't find a better place. If you're anywhere around here, or actually anywhere in the state or in the country, you know, you can flatbed your car here. Whatever it is that you want, they can take care of it. But I'm gonna turn the camera around. I'm gonna show you the short block. So here's the short block. This is a typical stock block for the 392. You know, big heavy cast iron block, but you know, this is what keeps them strong. But this is a stroker. It's a 426. Just came back from the machine shop. You can see the pistons. I believe that we dropped the compression a little bit on this motor. I also understand that the heads just came in, so we'll be able to go inside and take a look at the heads. Here's a look at the block. She's looking pretty good. We're going to install it in the big Mopar. Try to bring that to you guys. Alright, so here's the cylinder head. These are the new set of heads that we're going to put on that new 426 stroker for the 2015 Challenger. These heads are brand new. You can see from looking at the combustion chambers that they've all been CNC machined. And they're not any aftermarket head, they're just a stock casting. And they've been run through a CNC program. So I want to show you these heads, guys. They look pretty nice. All right, so here's a good look at the combustion chambers. You can see brand new valves, right? The combustion chambers have all been reshaped, polished, CNC program, you know, that's they're all redone. And just coming around here to the exhaust port, try to get you guys a good look at it. Trying to get the flashlight in there, but it's just creating a little bit of glare. But there you go. There you can see how nice the inside of the exhaust ports look. Nice work, man. Really incredible what they can do these days. His top side of the head, you can see all the valves, beehive valve springs. I'm gonna have to check with Joe, find out what the what the pressures are. You know, seat pressure, open pressure, stuff like that. And then here's the intake side. Man, look at the size of the ports. Now these heads, like I say, they've been all CNC machined, and they're going on top of a 426 stroker engine. So this thing's going to be pulling more air, and it's also got the Whipple going on top of that. So I'm going to follow this build, see what this thing can do in the end on the dyno. Alright guys, here's something else that I could show you. This is the cam for the big 426. Now this is going to get a Whipple, so this clearly you can see from the specs that this is a blower cam. Duration at 050, you know, 233 to 243. I would say that's moderate, at least to me. I mean, I've run bigger cams than that in terms of duration. You know, a little bit over 600 lift, but there you see, low separation angle at 118. That's right. Clearly indicates that it's a blower cam. Got to control the overlap. Can't have too much with a blower cam. All right, well there you have it, guys. Some of the hardware has come in. We got the big 426. We got the CNC ported heads. The cam is in. I believe we have everything to assemble the engine, except the blower. The blower hasn't come back yet. Whipple's still got it. I think there's a few things that they need to do with it, but we should have that soon. And as soon as we get that back, the car, you know, we'll get it all assembled, get it up on the dyno, and see what she can do. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll talk to you later.